I was expecting this to come tomorrow, so you're gonna be getting a lot of Raw and Ratchet Julia lately, because I don't really put on makeup too much like I did. I'm sitting outside because it is beautiful. It's a cloudy day. I'm one of those weird people where I get energy from like the clouds and the rain, and just it does the complete opposite to me that it does to most people. It just let me know, like this video if you're one of those people too. Anyways, so I'm gonna call it out first. I have not shaved my armpits, so if I'm showing things and whatever, you're gonna see a little chia pet. Anyways, it's not that bad. Here, I'll just show you guys. It's there, but it's not terrible. Anyways, let's unbox this. I'm like, I can't wait, and it's so pretty outside. This is so weird. Since getting back into YouTube, I'm a little nervous all over again filming. So one thing I will say is I did cancel. I had the annual subscription, and I canceled it because gotta save some coin, you know what I mean, gotta save a little money. But I don't want to explain too much. I'm sure you know about Fabfitfun. If you don't, I'll link my Fabfitfun playlist for you guys down below, and then in the card up above, just that way you can go back. I explain a little bit more. But how beautiful is this box with this woman, and she's just, this is how I feel in the rain right now. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Let's get into this. So I believe if you buy this by box, it is like, is it $39.95 or $49.95? If you can look up coupon codes, guys, if you plan on buying one. Look up a YouTuber who has a coupon code or an affiliate code. I do not. I'm unsponsored, unaffiliated. But yeah, you can get a little cheaper. Comes with a little booklet here. Comes with some just random stuff. I want to get into the good stuff. So the first thing I got in my box is the Winky Luxe Unibrow Eyebrow Pencil. The packaging is so pretty, and it says universal shade, firm texture, triangle shaped artist tip, custom spoolie end, magically works for all brow shades, maximum control, flexible application, natural and polished look is what it says. Really pretty packaging. I have so many eyebrow pencils, and like I said, I'm not crazy into makeup at the moment, so I don't want to open this and use it because I might pass it on or maybe sell it on Poshmark. Ooh, but the packaging is beautiful, and this retails at $16. And then the next thing I got is the Face and Body Ice Roller. Oh, thank you for sharing a puff puff with me. This one retails for $30, and it's supposed to, so I've seen Tati use one of these before. Oh, thank you, baby. I'll have a little one. Low Crunchies White Cheddar Broccoli. These are actually pretty good, you guys. Anyways, I've seen Tati use one of these before, so I was like, oh, this might be kind of cool. It says, enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely, oh, you guys can't even see, with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe Ayla. Gets rid of puffy eyes, redness, tightens and rejuvenates skin. So this is the kind of stuff I've been into more, like, I don't know, non-makeup. I keep saying that. I haven't been in makeup. I haven't been in makeup. You're like, we get it, Julia. Anyways, the packaging of this is gorgeous, and I'm excited to try something like this out. The next thing I actually picked is the Michael Kors Passport. I don't know, this does not look, I don't know, the packaging doesn't look super legit, but it's gotta be, I guess. Like, would Fabfitfun give you fakes? But anyways, I picked the Michael Kors Passport holder. I don't know if I'll ever use this. Again, I just thought it was so cool that they had Michael Kors, and I might just even, I don't know, again, I can't decide if I'm going to sell this on Poshmark to go to somebody who might really like it and actually want it and buy it, or I might just keep it as like a little card holder in my purse. I'm not really sure, but it was pretty cool that they had Michael Kors in this month's box. This guy retails at $78. Okay. Oh, thank you. You putting puff puffs in there? The next thing I'm pulling out is Spongelle hand cream. It's coconut verbena and infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. This seems nice. a little hand cream. Wonder what this retails at. $18. It's kind of a hefty price for this little guy. The packaging is really pretty. All right, let's see. So the next thing I have in here, let's see, I'll put this stuff. I actually picked this. It's the Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen Matte Finish. It's 70% organic, SPF 30. That's one thing I want to do a better job at. I feel like every YouTube video I watch on skincare or on this box says that, oh, I want to get more into wearing sunscreen. Well, it's true. So I've heard a lot of good things about this. And powdery perfection. Our new formula, light as air, applies like a dream, blending in transparently for a line smoothing matte finish that wears beautifully on its own or as a primer every day of the year. Ooh, it says it's supercharged with antioxidant rich ingredients such as buriti oil and prickly pear extract to help fight free radicals in your skin. Again, this is my like bread and butter, like a sunscreen, but that's good for your skin. I'm really excited. Let me smell this for you guys. I want to know if it smells sunscreeny. Ooh, the cap is that like so satisfying. It's like smooth and matte-ish. Does not smell like sunscreen. Smells like nutty, like buttery and nutty. Ooh, there are definitely, like, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, some particles in there. Might look like you have a little flaky skin. No, that's okay. No, I'm excited about this. Yeah, this retails for $36. All right, moving on. The next thing is this Dr. Brandt Do Not Age, DNA Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And this sucker, $82, which that's pretty hefty for a skincare cream. I think I'm actually gonna try this myself. I'm really into eye creams lately. It's for wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. So I think I actually might give this a try rather than put it on Poshmark or pass it along. So I'm excited about that. The other thing we got, I've gotten another item from Grace and Stella. What's that? What is it? Oh, there's a bird sitting there, yes. So it's actually a helicopter, but when she hears a plane, she'll go, plane! Usually, it's the cutest thing. Anyways, we've gotten, I think, a rose water spray from this brand before. I really like their packaging. It's like nude, very clean and simple looking. And this is a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. So that is pretty cool. Me personally, I'm not a fan of hyaluronic acid. I don't know why. It's just never really done much for my skin. This is what the bottle looks like if you open it up. Puff puff, you do want to puff puff? Yeah, or are you just gonna play? You just want to play with it? Anyways, yeah, that's what the bottle is going to look like. Here you go. Do you want to play with some of this? Look, this is Dr. Brandt eye cream. Wow. Has anyone ever seen the movie Totoro? I used to love that movie, and if you have, do you remember Granny? She would go, eh? Well, that's what the noise she makes when she wants something. And it sounds just like her. Look, there's some cards in here. Do you want that? Moving on, I think we only have one more thing in here. Yes, so the last thing we got is a foot cream by the brand Tarocco, and it's Sicilian blood oranges. Ooh, that's gonna smell amazing. So I'm reading on the back, it says story. Tarocco, meaning beautiful in Sicilian dialect, was discovered by my great-great-grandmother. Are you reading too? Oh, a little bird did come and be with us. Oh my gosh, and there's a little red bird sitting there. Fun little fact, Jesse's Tata, I guess, used to love, oh my gosh, hi. Jesse's Tata used to love the little red birds. He would tell Jesse, I like the red ones. So we joke, we're like, oh, maybe that's another, oh, wow, lots of birds are coming over here. You're listening to us unboxing. Anyways, this video is getting so long for a Fabfitfun unboxing, oh well. So it was discovered by my great-great-grandmother Gesualdo Dinaro in Francofonte, Sicily. My family uses this wonderful fruit in the same way we use everything from our lands, internally and externally. Thank you for entrusting us with your beauty, warmest thoughts, and arrivederci. How sweet. I think I'm actually going to try this out. I love a good foot cream. It's summertime. Okay, last fun little side note for you guys. So I actually am not known for having very nice feet. I played a lot of sports. They're very veiny. They are not cute. And so when I was in high school, oh my gosh, that bird is literally coming really close. Hi! How funny. And we don't really have these are the most plants we have in our backyard. Out there is like dirt and weeds, so I don't know what's attracting you over there. Anyways, long story short is during summertime, my friends would be like, oh gosh, it's summertime, Julie's gonna wear flip-flops again, nobody look under the lunch table. So anyways, this is something that I personally need. Here, do you want to hold on to that? Mommy might give that away, so I don't want that to get too dirty, but you can have this. Oh, are you hungry? Oh, you do. There is food on that. You're right. She's looking at this green chef thing and sees the food and is going yum, 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 yum. Are you hungry, baby? Real quick, this retails at $24. Oh my gosh. He came right over here, huh? Hi, birdie. Did you make a friend? Just added it up and it's over $300, the value of my box. Granted, would I buy a lot of this stuff on my own for the retail price? Definitely not. But for the price that I did pay, it's not bad. Again, am I going to pass along or, you know, post some of this on my Poshmark that I'm not going to use? Yeah, so that's kind of one of the reasons why I canceled my Fabfitfun too. Again, it's a really cool thing if you are in need of a little treat, a little self-care, or if you want something to look forward to, you know what I mean? And if you can afford it, it's awesome. But anyways, that's the end. Can you say the end? The end. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. This one probably was not as thorough as my other reviews because was that a fart? Did you just fart? You found your puff puff. Anyways, I will let you guys go. I think I do have one more box coming that I had already paid for from the annual subscription. So like this video if you would like me to open up the next box that comes in. If not, that's okay too. Yay! And we'll catch you in our next video.